Migao mar riwruoge Saga Wycliffe Oparanya oyango ni rawere manie kind higni 19 nyaka 29 kiny thuolo mar ndikruok owuon ne chenro mar NYOTA, chenro ma ochan tim kuonde chung od bura duto 290 e pachoka. Kalore gi Oparanya, gin gi yie ni chenro ma kamano kalore ni giseteme gwenge ma imbo mar Kenya kendo fwenyo kuonde ma dobedo gi pek manyalo thiro chenro ma kamago, gigo ma owacho ni giseloso.
The exercise will take the whole day and the whole of our government approach. Each constituency will host a validation center with a breakout session organized by ward to ensure efficiency and transparency verification. Applicants will be required to present their national ID, and persons with disabilities must provide their disability identification cards for authentication. The other exercise to make sure that there is sustainability of this particular project. That's why we have involved the assistant chiefs and chiefs. These are the people who will be on the ground all throughout this particular program. And they have been trained. They have been trained the entire country, and they will monitor and make reports on a monthly basis to ensure that the youth who have been granted these funds are actually doing what they are supposed to do.